Me and Buboy and Bubo will go to Jasper at Patricia Lake.
No.
No? Oh, where we're going?
Happy.
Oh, we go shopping? Okay, we go shopping at Jasper, okay? So, just stand by and watch. And
They're outside. There lang ka, oh, there, oh.
Well.
There, oh.
Wow, that's a lot, Buboy.
Ow. Ow.
No, 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 they will eat
no,
you.
no, you will. Oh, the police. Dito yung ihawan, dito tayo mag-ihaw. Pero please respect others to right. Saan yung babaan ng lake?
Daddy,
Nga, ba't dito naman ayun pala yung daanan, no? Hindi, doon tayo bumaba. We're here at Patricia Lake. Might be alligator. Might be an alligator. Wob, you go back. Oh, lo, there's alligator.
Oh no, that's a lot.
Steep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you go back now. You go back.
Pool! Nandun sa mesa.
Kunin mo. Okay, here's our room. This is the room.
We will take a video.
Sabi mo dalawang kwarto. So, hintay lang namin yung isang sila Jaja, sila Matt. So, ito na po bali yung magiging room namin overnight. So, si 26 yung isa. Number 3 yung isa 26. So, hindi pa namin nakita. So, hinintay pa namin. So, pupunta namin. So,
Oh, super good.
parang yellow yung tubig, parang may yellow. Parang may yellow yung tubig. Pa tayo dun sa isang kwarto kasi dalawang kwarto po yung nirent namin. Ito po yung isang kwarto. So doble po siya.
Go to the jacuzzi.
Ayan. Wala namang maririnig pala eh.
What?
So dalawang kwarto dito. Oh. Doon sa likod yung
Dito tayo kakain.
So dito po yung magba-barbecue para sa hapunan namin. Ito po. Nagluto na si tatay ng barbecue. The left side chicken, the right side pork. Okay.
Kapag sa gwa mo, tulog ka boy. Boy, tulog ka na boy.
Init. Init. Ay, sorry. Init natin yung
Pwede imitan? May Jenny.
Diin daw. Parehos kit sa balay.
Hindi ko nakunan ng 360. Okay lang. May video. Excuse. Wait.
Go away, Bob. I was taking a photo. Go away. No, here. You sit down. Here.
So good morning. So bali kalawang araw po natin ngayon. At try natin magkape doon sa lake. So samantalayin natin yung magandang view na habang nagkakape. Dito po tayo ngayon, tingnan natin. Ito. Meron pong batang umahabol sa atin. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? You going to the lake? It's cold. Going to the lake? We're going to the lake with Buboy the boy boy. You want help? Careful. Shower pots here. Buboy will sit. Okay, Buboy and I sitting there. Hi, Lake. Say hi, Lake. Hi, Lake. Hi, Lake. We are Buboy and Daddy Marlon. Oh, it's cold. Hi, Lake. Don't drop your slipper, ah. Don't drop your slipper. Careful. Oh, we're jogging. Oh, me and Buboy jogging. Oh, we're jogging. Oh, careful. Oh, we're jogging. Ah, me and Buboy jogging. This is the surrounding here at the Patricia Lake. This is the house of and this is our room. Look at the scenery. It's so relaxing, and you see the alpine there, and the fire pit, and there's the lake. So cold. Oh, ganda. Lakas ng hangin. Woo! Tayo. Grabe. Lakas ng hangin. Woo! Wow, slippery. Ito po yung kanina. Medyo maaraw na ngayon. Kita na natin yung view. Yan. Lakas ang alon. Woo! Ay. Ano? Ganda ng view. Grabe. Sarap magpahingan. Relaxing. Po, salamat po sa panonood. Nakaraos din. So ibabalik na po namin yung susi sa reception. Ay. May babalik na ng Edson pero kahit muna. Sa reception. So Patricia Lake, Jasper. Tapos uwi na kami. Salamat. So code. So ayun po. Salamat. Babalik na po namin susi. Ito po yung mga
How was your stay? It was beautiful. Good. I'm so happy to hear that.
okay, dito po.
Perfect. Am I okay just to email you the receipts?
Yeah, for sure.
Perfect. Then you're all good to go on our
Yeah.
end.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Have a good one.
Thank
Safe
you.
Is
travels.
it busy here in summer?
It is.
Yeah.
Yes. Did you have dates you were looking at?
I'll just look at the website, yeah. But it's
Perfect.
pretty busy.
Yes.
How much is the rate in summer?
For the units, you say
so for your cottage, it would go up
Yeah.
to $385 base price,
Mhm.
and the duplex is $395 as the base price.
Okay. Yeah.
So you go up about $100.
$100 then, yeah. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem. Enjoy your day. Safe
Yeah,
travels.
thank you.
So, yun na po. Uwi na kami. So, hanggang sa muli. Maraming salamat sa panonood.